Eisteddfod T is back, bigger and better than ever, providing opportunities for all ages, abilities and background to be creative, with over 100 competitions to choose from. The Eisteddfod T syllabus is available online in both Welsh and English. Be aware that online registration to compete will open on March the 1st and stay open until midday on the 26th of March. Remember to upload any video, photo or documents before submitting your application. Browse through the Eisteddfod T rules by clicking here. Make sure you familiarise yourself with the clauses. Useful guidance with tips and advice about filming at home is available here. The index provides a summary of each competition category in Eisteddfod T. Click on the section which you are most interested in. The Create section is new to this year's Eisteddfod T syllabus, with up to 30 competitions for primary and secondary aged children, in addition to competitions for Welsh learners and children with additional learning needs. The Create section consists of the following competitions: Poetry, Prose, Literature Year 6 and under for Welsh learners, Literature Year 7, 8 and 9 for Welsh learners, Write a review, create your own podcast or radio show, create a video for social media, Journalism, 14 to 21 years old, Her Sefydliad Morgan Prifysgol Abertawe is a public speaking competition, compose an original script Year 6 and under, compose a comic monologue Year 7, 8, 9, create your own cartoon character Year 6 and under, the Ken Williams Memorial Award, create your own comic page based on original character or characters Year 7, 8, 9, music composition Year 6 and under, and music composition Year 7, 8, 9. The Art and Design section is also new this year and offers primary and secondary school children the opportunity to be creative with their hands at home or in school. No specific theme and is open for your interpretation. But the photography section does ask competitors to use the theme My Square Mile as inspiration. Draw a 2D picture using any medium such as paint, pencils, crayon, pastel, ink, on one side of A4. Computer graphics. Create an image or graphics using the digital software. Photography, photo under 14 years old, one print on the theme. Photography, series of photographs 14 to 25 years old, a series of 4 prints on the theme My Square Mile. And the competition is held in partnership with BBC Cymru Fyw. The winning photographs will be published on BBC Cymru Fyw website. 3D object. Create a 3D masterpiece on any theme using any medium such as textile, pottery, recycled material, fashion, weaving, puppets, wood, jewellery or any other material. All the best to everyone.